This episode of video series was brought to you by Rhombus Foundation.
Hello guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and today's video is dealing with my advice for those who are planning to start a YouTube channel in Zambia. So in this video I've got 5 tips for you. So for those who are serious on starting a YouTube channel and having a successful one here in Zambia in 2021, stay at the end of this video. If you're not serious, just leave right now before I start even giving the information. That means you are serious. And also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so when I upload new content like this you don't miss out. So let's get right away. Number 1 tip is consistency. Consistency is the ability for you to post video as regularly as possible, at least 2 videos in a week on a channel which you have. So that means you can post as many videos as you want. If you want, you can post 50 videos. That will give you a higher likelihood of you getting successful on YouTube. But please take note, when you upload more videos, it does remove quality. You have to choose either quantity or quality. Those are some of the factors that you should take in consideration. Number 2 is the support group. Guys, please take note, there's a link down in the description below to join a WhatsApp group for those who are serious in Zambia to have their YouTube channel for success, where we together as YouTubers in the country give each one of us excellent tips on how we should grow. We tend to have at least to watch one of the videos and a member who posts in that WhatsApp group and subscribe to members in the group so that we can grow together. Please take note, the link will be down in the description below. But before we continue and do anything, let's have an advert from our sponsor in today's video.
This episode of video series was brought to you by Rhombus Foundation. Create your amazing WordPress website with a free domain, secure and safe hosting at only 200 kwacha per year. Sign up in the link in the description below to get started right away.
3 tip is thumbnail. If you saw at the beginning of this video, you had seen my thumbnail. That is because YouTube loves good thumbnails. You as a viewer, when you see a eye-catchy thumbnail, you are more likely to click on a video. It should be eye-catchy. Number 4 is the title. Please take note, there is a YouTube video series on how to start a YouTube channel, full step-by-step guide. Subscribe. The series will be starting next week on this channel. That is where I'll talk with how phrasing different kinds of title, like if you have to start your video with how to, you're likely to get at least 15,000 views. All such kind of tips, they are going to help you to understand about search engine optimization on the Google search engine, YouTube search engine, even Bing, all such kind of things. So don't forget to miss out that the title is important. Then the last and the 5th point on today as my advice for those who are planning to start a YouTube channel in Zambia. Please take note, this is not a big issue, but it will consider on how your views will recover over time and the watch time. So there are 3 ways of how your videos can go viral on YouTube. Number 1, it's either your video should be based under education, inspiration, or comedy. Please take note, those things kind of differ. Education is the most easiest for any person. Please take note, that's how it works. And the niche now can be categorized into different aspects, and this we mean by maybe your location. Also, okay, not exactly the manner of location, but the type of content. Gaming, how many people like gaming videos? Sports, how many people like sports? How many people like music? How many people like animations? All those things you have to put them into consideration. But please take note, make sure you make videos about things that you know and you're familiar with, so that you can give people proper knowledge. Like here, me who has knowledge, tremendous knowledge about being a YouTuber in Zambia and the whole of Africa beyond. So if you did enjoy this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that when I upload new content like this, you don't miss out every week. And guys, thank you so much for those, and if you're interested, sign up on the offer by Rhombus Foundation. So see you next time as we begin our full video guide series. And for those who have reached to the end of this video, thank you so much. It means that you are serious with growing your YouTube channel in Zambia and reaching thousands to millions of views. And I was your host, Richard Mita, and see you next time.